Ganda, husay at talino ang ipinamalas ng 16 na kandidata ng Miss Baguio 2026 sa kanilang media launch at press conference na iginanap sa Strawberry Bistro sa Wright Park Hotel, Baguio City nitong Biyernes, Agosto 14. Tampok sa aktibidad ang pagpapakilala sa mga kandidata at ang question and answer portion kung saan naipakita nila ang kanilang personalidad, kakayahan at talas ng isip sa mga miyembro ng media. Kabilang sa mga kandidata si Camille Cano ng Santo Tomas proper na nagtatrabaho bilang isang nurse sa Baguio General Hospital and Medical Center. Isinusulong ni Cano ang Movement She o Support, Health, Empowerment bilang sentro ng kanyang advokasya sa women's health.
I'm a nurse. I'm working at Baguio General Hospital. I'm working with the OBGYN department. And I was also diagnosed with polycystic ovarian syndrome or post-metabolic ovarian syndrome. And that is where my advocacy lies. It's called Movement She. S stands for support, H stands for health, and E stands for empowerment. And it is very close to my heart because we are more focused on women's health. Men's health is equally as important, but women's health and Movement She is very close to my heart. Since I've been experiencing it and I have a lot of knowledge about it, and I'm more than willing to share it to everyone. I've been juggling work and pageant at the same time, and I think that is where my priorities lie po, at doon ko po nakikita kung saan ako more nagfo-focus, and I think it's as equal as the other. Same sila na important for me, and mas na-appreciate ko po yung pageantry because it gives us a bigger platform, because my advocacy, I want it to be more than the hospital walls. I want it to be contributed into the community po.
Si Mika Soriano naman ng San Luis Village ay Bachelor of Arts in Communication graduate at kasalukuyang Administrative Assistant. Advokasyan niya ang pagtugon sa banta ng urban decay sa lungsod. Kabilang din sa mga kandidata si Jessa Sumayog San ng Yulok Ban na mahilig sa performing arts, partikular na ang pag-awit at pagsayaw, at nagnais gamitin ang kanyang pagkamalikhain upang magbigay inspirasyon sa mga kabataan na maniwala din sa kanilang mga talento. Si Patrice Balahadja ng Lower Lourdes Subdivision ay nagsasulong naman ng empowerment para sa mga batang may special needs sa pamamagitan ng pagbuo ng isang inclusive community para sa kanila. Samantala, nakatuon sa volunteerism at pagbibigay inspirasyon sa kabataan ang advokasya ni Corinth Mabatan ng Luwakan Proper, isang Bachelor of Science in Management Accounting student. Si Filipino-Syrian Daniela Mustafa naman ay nakatuon sa pagsuporta sa mga solo parent. Kilala din siya bilang binibining Silka Philippines 2025 First Runner-Up at Miss Galikayo Camiliana 2024. May ilang kandidata rin na nakatuon sa mental health awareness ang kanilang mga advokasya, kagaya ni Charlene Gonzalez na kahit estudyante pa lamang ng AB Psychology ay nagagawa pang maging private tutor at businesswoman, pati na rin sina Miss STI Baguio 2023 at pambato ng Irisan na si Emery Gumiran na ngayon nagtatrabaho bilang hotel front desk at first-time pageant joiners na sina Shania Turco ng Gibraltar at Frances Picayo ng Pinet.
Growing up po talaga, I wanted to become a beauty queen, but I pursued modeling instead. But I have this burning passion, and I think this is the right time to join pageant because I feel more ready. And at my age, I feel more confident also, and my values are aligned with the organization of Miss Baguio. I know that the crown is not just a reward. It comes with a big responsibility to serve, to become a role model, and to be the voice of the people, especially those underserved. And I am committed and determined to embrace this role. My advocacy is mental health awareness and support. Personally, I choose this advocacy because I've seen my cousin or my best friend also. She suffered from mental health illness, and I want to be the voice of them and to create a safe space for everyone to break those stigmas.
Isinusulong ni Kayla Jose ng Balasikan ang pangangalaga sa cultural identity habang nakatuon naman sa culture preservation at inclusive education ang advokasya ni Jeneline Bedanya ng North Sanitary Camp. Si Zeira Tamayo ng East Bayan Park, isang full-time artist at part-time model, ay may karanasan din sa pageantry at naging Miss Piccola Trinidad 2025. Si Zyla Magdo naman ay naging reyna ng Hiyas ng Baguio noong 2023 at patuloy na nagsusulong ng accessible psychoeducation at safe spaces. Si Charlotte Cosioco ay nagsusulong ng mental health awareness sa pamamagitan ng Kintsugi Mindset o ang pagtanggap sa mga negatibong karanasan bilang bahagi ng kwento ng isang tao. At si Katrina Sanhu na may lahing Japanese at Indian at ang huling kandidata sa listahan ay nakatuon sa pagsusulong at pagpapaunlad sa mga lokal na artist at crafts. Ayon kay City Tourism Officer Engineer Alec Mapalo, maganda ang batch ng mga kandidata ngayong taon at may potensyal sila na magpatuloy sa iba't ibang plataforma at kompetisyon.
We will be that we have already great batch of candidates this year. Beyond the beauty, which we are always proud of already as a Miss Baguio platform, we've sent several beauty queens nationally and internationally. And I think there are a lot of potentials that is going to still go further. But beyond that, they were able to speak really very well. And I thought they would be a little complacent with a 1 week setback because of the storm. But it gave them a chance to be more conscious and aware. And I'm so proud of our ladies. Thank you very much, ladies. Congratulations. I just wish we could have 16 titles. But definitely any one of you can be a good ambassador of Baguio City. For that, I'm very proud.
Gaganapin ang preliminary competition ng Miss Baguio 2026 sa Setyembre 5 sa Baguio Convention and Cultural Center mula alas 9 ng umaga hanggang alas 12 ng tanghali. Samantala, nakatakda ang Grand Coronation Night alas 7 ng gabi sa parehong araw at venue. Ira Marizan para sa Herald Express.